Here's KATC meteorologist Bradley Benoit.
Well, we hit 94 degrees today in Lafayette. It's going to stay hot as we head into our Sunday. And then rain chances will start to increase on us through about the middle parts of the upcoming week. We'll talk about that and, of course, have the very latest out of the tropics in just a bit. But first, here's the upper level pattern. A ridge of high pressure was pretty much in control across the area today. Now, that'll start to kind of weaken a little bit tomorrow, which will allow more of a weakness in the atmosphere to take shape. So slight uptick in the rain chances beginning late tomorrow afternoon, but then kind of more so as we head into our Memorial Day, as a frontal trough is going to start to be advancing southward and traversing the area. But quiet conditions tonight, fair skies in place. Middle 70s waking up tomorrow morning, and then a mixture of sun and clouds out there on our Sunday. It's going to be another hot one. Temperatures right back up into the lower and middle 90s. And again, a few isolated showers and storms trying to develop with the heating of the day, especially during the late afternoon and early evening hours here. Notice the high resolution rapid refresh model painting that out. And then most of that comes to an end late tomorrow evening, but then here comes that frontal trough into Monday. Could be dealing with some scattered activity as early as Monday morning. Maybe a break during midday, but then notice perhaps some activity redeveloping through the course of our Monday afternoon. So we'll bring rain chances up more so into the 50 to 60% range. And then Tuesday and Wednesday forecast is going to be dependent on 91L, or the moisture associated with it out here in the tropics. Currently sitting here across Mexico. Still has a low end 30% chance to develop in the next 5 days, but important to note, the Gulf of Mexico is not going to be nearly as conducive for development going into this week as compared to last week, and that's why models don't really show any signs of any sort of a strong tropical system getting going in the Gulf of Mexico. But nonetheless, here we go with the GFS showing perhaps the depression, maybe a weak kind of lopsided sheared tropical storm approaching the northern Gulf Coast as we head into Wednesday. At least for now, models still kind of hint that some of the highest moisture content or the heaviest of the rainfall setting up more so just off to the east of Acadiana, and the Nat feature pushes out of here as we head into Thursday. Behind it, perhaps a little bit of a cool front. Here we go with the GFS model showing a morning start perhaps in the middle 60s there Friday morning, with an afternoon finish in the middle to upper 80s, and much of the same as we head into the following weekend. And boy, that would be a much welcome sight for our friends off in southeastern Louisiana, because of course most of them likely still going to be without power even going into next week as well. So we'll take it. We'll see how it plays out in the days ahead. Meanwhile, not going to be dealing with any sort of cooler weather as we round out the holiday weekend here over the next couple of days. This is what it's going to feel like. Lower 100s tomorrow afternoon, maybe just a little bit cooler as we head into our Monday due to a bit more rainfall across the region. 24-hour forecast, again, middle 70s tomorrow morning, about a 30% chance to see a few isolated showers and storms through the course of late tomorrow afternoon. Going into tomorrow evening, we'll go 93 degrees for that projected high. 60% or so as we head into Labor Day as that frontal trough moves across the area. 40 to 50% at least through midweek with that lurking tropical moisture from Invest 91L, and then rain chances look to go on their way down as we round out next week, head into the following weekend with hopefully some drier, more comfortable air moving into the area again late next week into next weekend. Scott?